Have you ever wondered how to develop your personal style? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? In a world where we're constantly influenced by trends and celebrities, discovering our own unique style can seem like a daunting task. But what if I told you that your personal style is not just about the clothes you wear, but a reflection of who you are, your personality, your likes, your dislikes, your beliefs, and your values? Yes, it's that profound and impactful. Your personal style is your visual vocabulary, a way to express your individuality without saying a word. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-expression that requires patience, experimentation, and a dash of courage. Over the course of this video, we will guide you through a series of steps to help you uncover, define, and refine your personal style. Ready to embark on this stylish journey? Buckle up and let's dive in. First, examine your current style. What clothes do you gravitate towards in your wardrobe? Recognizing your current style is like understanding the language of your own sartorial choices. It's about being aware of the outfits that make you feel most like yourself, the colors that light you up, and the clothes that you reach out for time and time again. Your style as it stands today is a reflection of your personality, your preferences, your comfort zone, and yes, even your aspirations. Imagine your wardrobe. Do you see a sea of neutrals or a riot of colors? Are there more jeans than dresses? Or perhaps a generous sprinkling of vintage pieces? Each piece of clothing you own, each outfit you've put together, tells a story about your style journey. So, take a moment to listen to that story, to understand the nuances of your current style. Your favorite outfits are another key to unlocking your style. They are your go-to looks, the ones that make you feel invincible, the ones that are so you. Analyzing these outfits can offer valuable insights into your preferred style elements. Is it the fit, the fabric, the silhouette, or the color that draws you in? Identifying these elements can help you understand what works for you and why. Comfort, too, plays a vital role in your style. The clothes you feel most at ease in are often the ones that align best with your personal style. Comfort is not just about physical ease, but also about feeling confident and authentic in what you wear. So consider the clothes that make you feel good, inside and out. Remember, recognizing your current style is not about boxing yourself into a category. It's about understanding your starting point, your style foundation. It's about acknowledging your preferences and being open to exploration. It's about accepting your style as it is today, with all its quirks and idiosyncrasies. Understanding your current style is a crucial first step in building your personal style. After all, you need to know where you are to figure out where you want to go. So let's embark on this style journey together, from recognition to reinvention. Who are your style icons? Who do you find yourself admiring their style? These are pivotal questions that can guide you in developing your personal style. You see, style icons are like the North Star in the vast expanse of the fashion universe. They serve as a beacon, guiding us towards a style that resonates with our personality, our aspirations, and our unique sense of self. Think about it. Have you ever caught yourself scrolling through social media, completely captivated by the style of a certain celebrity, influencer, or even a fictional character? They may be rocking a bold color palette, or perhaps they've mastered the art of minimalistic chic. Whatever it is, something about their style speaks to you. This is where identifying your style icons comes in handy. Your style icons are those individuals whose fashion sense you admire and whose style elements you'd love to incorporate in your own wardrobe. They can be as diverse as the fashion world itself, from Hollywood stars like Audrey Hepburn and Billy Porter, to music legends like David Bowie and Lady Gaga, or even iconic characters from film and television. Identifying your style icons is not about copying their outfits piece by piece. It's about understanding what you're drawn to, what makes you feel confident, and what tells your story. It's about finding that style that makes you say, "Yes, this is me." Your style icons can serve as a great source of inspiration for your personal style. So, take a moment, think about it, and let your style journey begin. What words would you use to describe your personal style? This question might seem a little bit daunting at first, but it's actually a fun and enlightening exercise. Defining your personal style with descriptive words can help create a clear vision of what you want your style to look like. It's like painting a picture with words, and the canvas is you. Think of style descriptors as a way to categorize your fashion preferences. They can be as broad or as specific as you want them to be. You might choose words like classic, edgy, bohemian, or minimalistic. Or you might prefer descriptors that are a bit more nuanced, like vintage-inspired, eclectic, or street chic. Classic style, for instance, might bring to mind timeless pieces like a tailored blazer, a crisp white shirt, or a little black dress. If you're drawn to these kinds of pieces, then classic might be a word that resonates with your personal style. On the other hand, if you're someone who loves to push boundaries with your clothing choices, then edgy might be a more fitting descriptor. Edgy style often involves unconventional silhouettes, bold patterns, and statement accessories. Bohemian style is all about free-spirited and artistic expression. It's often characterized by flowy silhouettes, rich textures, and earthy tones. If you love the idea of channeling your inner artist or world traveler, then bohemian might be a style descriptor that resonates with you. And then there's minimalistic style, which is all about simplicity and functionality. If you're drawn to clean lines, neutral colors, and a less is more philosophy, then minimalistic might be your style descriptor of choice. Remember, these are just suggestions. The beauty of personal style is that it's deeply personal. It's about what makes you feel good, what makes you feel like you. So, choose words that resonate with you, words that feel authentic to who you are. Defining your personal style is about understanding who you are and how you want to present yourself to the world. And there's nothing more stylish than being unapologetically yourself. Now that you've defined your style, it's time to experiment. In the world of fashion, there's no room for stagnation. It's all about evolution and personal growth. It's about taking risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. Experimenting with different clothing items, accessories, and color schemes will help you refine your personal style. Think of it as a fashion experiment. You're the scientist, and your wardrobe is your laboratory. You get to mix and match to your heart's content. Try on that bold print you've been eyeing, or mix in a piece of vintage clothing with your modern outfits. Maybe it's time to add a pop of color to your predominantly neutral wardrobe. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. In fact, welcome them. They are the best way to learn and evolve. Every fashion icon, every style guru has had their share of fashion faux pas. But they didn't let that deter them. They took those experiences and used them to refine their style further. Also, remember to have fun with it. Fashion is about expressing yourself and your individuality. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. So play around with different looks, see what works and what doesn't. Finally, keep in mind that developing your personal style is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of experimenting, learning, and evolving. So enjoy the ride and remember, fashion is about something that comes from within you. Remember, developing your personal style is a journey, not a destination. Now you're equipped with the tools to develop your personal style. We've journeyed together through the exciting world of fashion and have unearthed the secrets to creating a style that's uniquely yours. Let's take a moment to recap on the key points we've covered. In the beginning, we explored the importance of recognizing your current style. This is your jumping-off point, your baseline. It's about understanding what you already love and what you feel confident in. Your current wardrobe is a treasure trove of clues about your innate style. So take a good look at it. What colors, cuts, and fabrics dominate? These are the elements that most likely resonate with you. Then we ventured into the realm of style icons. These are the people who inspire you, whose fashion sense you admire. They could be celebrities, influencers, or even people in your daily life. Identifying your style icons is a great way to visualize your fashion goals and gain inspiration for your own personal style. Next, we dove into the heart of the matter, defining your personal style. This is where you take what you've learned from your current style and your style icons and distill it into a clear vision. It's about pinpointing what you love, what makes you feel good, and what represents you. Your personal style is a reflection of your personality and your lifestyle, and it should make you feel like the best version of yourself. Finally, we encouraged you to experiment with your style. This is where the fun really begins. Try new things, take risks, and discover what works for you. This is your chance to express your unique personality and have fun with fashion. The journey of developing your personal style is an exciting one. It's a chance to discover more about who you are and how you want to present yourself to the world. So start today, and remember, there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about what makes you feel good and what makes you, you. Remember, fashion is about expressing who you are. So have fun, experiment, and let your personal style shine. We hope you enjoyed this guide to personal style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your personal style journey and the unique fashion choices you've made. Your stories might inspire others embarking on their own style journey. And remember, if you're looking for more fashion tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly updating with new content that we hope will help you feel more confident and excited about your wardrobe. Thank you for watching, and remember, let your personal style shine. Feast your eyes on the latest trends and timeless fashion advice. Enjoyed the style journey? Give a thumbs up to show some love. Got a fashion query or a tip of your own? Drop a comment below. Stay ahead with the fashion curve. Hit subscribe. Remember, every style has a story, and you're just a click away from the next chapter. Cheers to a fashionable you. Stay stylish. Stay tuned.